What's most important is we're bringing this to you.
Yes. Everybody, Corey and Crystal here. We are at Blue Ridge Expedition Trailers. We wanted to come in and see a little bit more about his trailers. They're the overland trailers, so they're more like the no boundaries, but I guess he builds them here. We're at a small little 4-bay manufacturing facility. So we're going to go in and see about his trailers and see how much they are, if it's something we would want, is it going to fit our needs, and then we will certainly do a video and let you know about them. So come in and enjoy with us.
Hey, I'm Mike. I'm with Blue Ridge Expedition Trailers. We are a off-road teardrop company based in Louisville, North Carolina, and we do custom off-road trailers. So basically we manufacture all the components ourselves. The only thing we really outsource are the doors, axles, wheels. This is our front expedition box that we make here in-house, and basically it's designed to house all our electronics. Our electronics are on a pull-out slide, lock in, lock out, so easily to service. Dual AGM batteries. We keep our 35-watt converter, charger, maintenance, battery maintenance pack in there as well. Our electric breakaway system is housed in here. We've got a 1,000-watt inverter, all your fuses and so forth, and your main disconnect. So very user-friendly if anybody needs to add any accessories or do repairs or what have you.
It's very neat. I
well,
like that.
yeah, we try to keep it neat so that it's easy to trace out, and if we ever need to kind of troubleshoot things with somebody on the phone, we can. It's all standardized, so everyone is the same, so we can kind of tell people, hey, trace this out and check this and check that, and so that securely locks into the cabinet. Nice little spot to store accessories. And then the top is great for all your long items, large chairs, things like that. So all of our trailers come with the max coupler. That's standard on our trailers. It's an articulating hitch. We also have our electric breakaway system, accessory handles, pretty heavy duty front jack, and even our 7-pin connector cord is hard piped under here. Basically, we have a tube that it runs through under here, passes through the frame so that you're not damaging it. All of our frames come with crash guards. Our fenders are bent out of Schedule 40 steel. They are welded through the frame, so they're welding on the outside and inside of the frame. So they're heavy duty. They're designed to be stood on and used. Everything on our trailer is made to be kind of used. Cool. Weight bearings. This is our outdoor shower unit, and we make our own shower boxes as well. Houses the typical camp chef on-demand hot water system. Propane tank on a bracket, and that will serve both the stove and the shower unit. Okay, this is our galley side. You can see lots of storage. All of these cabinets have basically shock arms that'll hold the doors up when you need it. Locking latches, so you're not losing anything going down the road. We have 2 drawers in the back here. The third spot there is dedicated for our electronics. Stainless steel countertop. This is an accessory. These are tie downs that we offer on our countertop. So if you're using this as you're traveling from point A to point B, you can use these to lash more gear down and not have to worry about it. We have our sink, daylight drain, cold water only. Our stove goes in here. And here again, that's a pull out where the stove would mount in this area here. And then we have our cutlery tray under that as well. This is our cooler area, so that is lock-in, lock table as well. So when you're cooking, you've got some additional space as well on the back of the spare tire carrier. And a very bright LED light, which will illuminate your work area at night. Yep. Dual USB ports and our light switch back there as well. This is our swing away spare tire carrier. On this side, this particular one is getting a jerry can holder that is yet to be mounted, but that will have a water only jerry can on there. Roof racks, we build these racks in-house as well. And we make them, this particular unit has an air conditioning unit on it, so we make the rack to clear the air conditioning unit, so when you mount your rooftop tent, you can still do that above the AC unit. And inside here, we don't have the mattress in yet, but you can sort of see the interior. We're still in progress. So this is designed for laptop pull-out, so it gives you a little work area. When you have the AC unit, you will have a touch thermostat in here. You have a heat strip and AC.
And there it goes.
Yeah, there it goes. And then if you look up here, every single one of our units that gets the AC also gets the 6-inch exhaust fan. And here again, you've got dual USB ports up front. Your voltmeter letting you know the condition of the batteries. You've got the dimmable reading light inside. On the outside, you have your porch lights on the outside. Underneath, you've got lights underneath. And this is our mattress, which we've just changed the design on that. So it's now a tri-fold mattress. So you can flip it back if you want to kind of fold it up, more of a couch type of design.
Crystal's playing Billy Goat again.
You see, there's the air conditioner, and then if you put a rooftop tent, it'll sit on top of the frame.
This is our traditional back bumper area, but what we did is he wanted the steps to come all the way to the back of the trailer, and so we kind of were racking our head with our traditional tubing design. So we came out with this 2x3 type of scenario where we extend the bumper 45 and it rolls right into the fenders. We've always been the custom manufacturer, where on our trailers, a customer can pick the interior laminate color, they can pick the exterior wrap color, and they can pick the cabinet wood choices, whether it's maple or a laminate or something like that. So they're very customizable. All of our sales are basically done online. We don't have any dealers, work directly with the customers, and we kind of create that relationship, and we stay in touch with our customers throughout the whole time period that they own that trailer. And so we want to keep it a little bit more personable than just having a dealer network and just manufacturing them and setting them off and really never seeing them again. So we do have customers come here when they go to pick it up, and we spend an entire day with them going over the components and making sure they understand the trailer and the electronics and the plumbing system and everything else. And so when they leave here, we really feel like they understand our product, and that just helps with that long-term relationship. We are www.brxtrailers.com.
This is their basic frame, and this is getting ready to have a body put on it. So now we can see the suspension really well. What's the lead time to get manufacturing started on one of these?
Basically about 4 months.
So we just had a really awesome visit with Mike at Blue Ridge Expedition Trailers. Just phenomenal. What a nice guy. And we just really enjoyed our visit with him, and I hope that you enjoyed the video of the trailer and how they're made here in Louisville, North Carolina.
Hey, we've got this great opportunity for you too. If you'd like to show your support for our channel, head over to Patreon, patreon.com/Overland Wanderlust. I'll put the link right here, or the website right here. And that way you can show your support for our channel and help us grow so we can bring you more and more information. Also, if you like the video, go ahead and give us that thumbs up. And if you really like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there in the corner. And if
And
you
don't
really,
forget to ring the bell.
and ring the bell if you'd like to be notified whenever we come out with a new video. Until next time, happy trails.